Hello guys, good evening. It's 9 p.m. in UK time and we're gonna do the market close update. As you can see at the moment on the 4 hour, we are testing the trend line. We talked about this in the earlier video. We say we were probably going to go and test the trend line, and that's precisely what we have done at an RSI of 56, as you can see in there, very close to what we were expecting to see in the retest video that I published earlier. It's been the whole day, these last 3-4 hour candles, just pretty much testing my trend line 1, 2, and 3 times. And here we are with this red candle testing again at 104. Let me be very precise, 104.7. There's also this line there of support that we have had as a resistance before, and now we are doing the retest. So pretty much my forecast of today being the day of the retest is accurate. And let me see what else I want to tell you. I want to tell you that we should be monitoring this candle that closes in 3 hours to see if we get a bounce there from support and then continuation to possibly that becoming the level where we pivot again for a new high. Remember that we haven't yet hit the liquidations at 107. We have done a higher level of 106.4. So we still have work to do. Let's see that liquidity on trading different. We took all the green and we are kind of just going sideways here, becoming a little bit like shy in terms of price action instead of, going and hammering the 107, 107 and a half. We're just going sideways in here. That is, in my opinion, still bullish, but I will have to admit that at the moment there is a battle in there. For example, on the 15 minutes, you can tell that this is kind of a bearish formation. So we did a high and then we couldn't take that high at 105.7. So possibly that could send us back down to 103 if this plays out as a bearish pattern. But I still think that the 107, we took all this ride all the way in here to take that liquidity. It will be very low likely that we don't take it unless something external happens in the market. Let's go very quickly to the daily. Let's see. I'm gonna give you a spoiler. We haven't done that much today really on the daily. We were supposed to close today above the top of the range. Let's expand this so you can see where we are. This is the range on volume profile, and the top of the range on the daily is 104.3. And what I really want from today, despite the pullback on the 4 hour, is to hopefully close above the top of the range, above 104.5. Remember in the background that is also a level that makes happy the weekly time frame for that breakout above the yellow trend line, which I'm not going to show you now. Just go. I refer you back into my main video of the day. That is my hope. Things are looking okay. We are doing, it's a work in progress, I will say. Nothing out of the ordinary, neither in the daily or in the 4 hour. And I think this is just according to the schedule. We need to do the retest. We saw data earlier today showing that delta and a bunch of indicators, including the ask liquidity, was calling for a pullback. So here we are currently having this mild pullback, and hopefully it's gonna just end up the day doing that piece of job, so tomorrow we can continue to higher levels. Of course, closing below this, then we can change the story. But unfortunately now, guys, I'm closing the shop. I'm going to sleep, and so I won't be paying attention to What happens after, I leave that to you guys. If you like this update, as usually, I'm asking you for a like and a comment to continue making them. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.